Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of kitchen design and exploring some truly marvelous ideas to take your cooking space to the next level. Whether you are culinary whiz or just love spending time in the kitchen, these innovative designs will inspire you to create a space that's as functional as it is stylish. Let's talk about smart storage solutions. In a well designed kitchen, every inch of space is utilized efficiently to maximize storage and minimize clutter. Consider features like pull out pantry shelves, corner carousels, and drawer organizers to keep your kitchen organized and tidy. Now, let's discuss materials and finishes. From sleek stainless steels to luxurious marble countertops, the choice of materials can significantly impact the look and feel of your kitchen. Choose durable and easy to clean materials that suit your style and lifestyle for a kitchen that's both beautiful and practical. Don't forget about the little details that can elevate your kitchen designs, from stylish hardware and fixtures to decorate accents and artwork. It's the finishing touches that bring personality and charm to your space. So there you have it, folks. Marvelous kitchen design ideas to help you create a space that's as functional as it is beautiful. With the right combination of smart storage solutions, innovative appliances, and stylish finishes, you can transform your kitchen into a culinary heaven that you will love spending time in. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home designs inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking.